Welcome to part 2 of the PM Book Guide, a guide to the project management body of knowledge. Project performance domains. Project performance domains are interactive, interrelated, and interdependent areas of focus that influence project outcomes. Stakeholders, team development approach and lifecycle planning, project work delivery, measurement, uncertainty. These domains are not siloed efforts. They overlap and interconnect, adapting uniquely to each project. Development approach and life cycle. A deliverable is any unique and verifiable product, result, or capability required for project delivery. The development approach includes methods like predictive, iterative, incremental, adaptive, or hybrid to evolve the deliverable. Key concepts: cadence, the rhythm of activities in a project. Project phase, a logical collection of activities culminating in deliverables. Project life. Cycle, phases a project passes through from start to finish. Delivery cadence. Different delivery timing and frequency. Single delivery, deliver at the end of the project. Example, process improvement projects rolled out upon completion. Multiple deliveries. Deliver different components at various times. Example, drug development with sequential or non-sequential deliveries. Periodic deliveries, deliver on a fixed schedule. Example, adaptive project development. Continuous delivery, deliver at non-fixed intervals. Example, adaptive product development, project development life cycles. Predictive, waterfall, scope, time, and cost are determined early, with scope changes managed carefully. Iterative, scope is determined early, but time and cost evolve as the team gains understanding. Incremental, deliverables are produced through iterations, adding functionality incrementally. Adaptive, agile, iterative, or incremental with detailed scope defined before each iteration. Hybrid, combines predictive and adaptive elements for different project requirements. Process group versus life cycle. The life cycle refers to the series of phases a project passes through, while process groups are organized steps to manage these phases. Process converts inputs into outputs. Procedure, a series of steps to achieve results, often documented as SOPs. Processes and knowledge areas in PMBOK. The PMBOK guide includes 49 processes considered as good practices. 5 process groups, initiating planning, executing monitoring and controlling closing. 10 knowledge areas, integration management scope, management schedule, management, cost management, quality management, resource management communications, management, risk management, procurement management, stakeholder management, 49 processes by process group. Initiating, develop project charter, identify stakeholders. Planning, develop project management plan. Plan, scope management, collect requirements, define scope, create WBS plan, schedule management, define activities, sequence activities, estimate activity, durations, develop, schedule plan, cost management, estimate costs, determine budget plan, quality management plan, resource management, estimate, activity resources plan, communications, management plan, risk management. Identify risks, perform qualitative risk analysis, perform quantitative risk analysis, plan risk responses, plan procurement management, plan stakeholder engagement, executing, direct and manage, project work, manage project, knowledge, manage quality, acquire resources, develop team, manage communications, implement risk responses, conduct procurements, manage stakeholder engagement, monitoring and controlling, monitor and control project work, perform, integrated change, control, validate, scope, control, scope control, schedule control, cost control, quality control resources, monitor, communications, monitor, risks control, procurements monitor, stakeholder engagement closing, close project or phase. This structured approach ensures consistent delivery of project outcomes in alignment with organizational goals. Positive and negative impacts of the project environment. The project environment can influence a project in multiple ways. Positive impact promotes innovation, improves team collaboration. Negative impact, poor communication, lack of stakeholder alignment, or mismanagement of resources can hinder progress and affect deliverables. Organizational process assets. OPAs are processes, policies, procedures, and knowledge bases used within the organization to influence project management. OPAs are internal to the organization. The project team contributes to OPAs throughout the project lifecycle. PMO establishes and maintains OPAs for consistency. Two types of OPAs: processes, policies, and procedures. Organizational knowledge bases, processes, policies, and procedures. Initiating and planning includes policies like HR, health and safety, procurement, environmental, and templates for PM plans, registers, and contracts. Executing, monitoring, and controlling policies and procedures for managing quality, risks, and stakeholder engagement. Closing, guidelines for project closure, including final documentation and lessons learned. Organizational knowledge base/repositories, templates, PM plans, registers, and reports. Lessons learned. Documents, insights from past projects, issue and defect repositories, history of defects and resolutions, previous project files, scope, cost and schedule baselines, financial data repositories, cost data, budgets, and labor hours. Organizational structures and types. Organic, simple structure, flat reporting structure. Employees interact without silos, decisions are made by consensus. Best for unstable markets with high competition, but slower decision making. Example, a startup formed by friends. Functional organization structure. Teams are grouped by functions or specialties like HR, finance, or engineering. The functional manager has authority, and projects are managed within departments. Strong matrix structure. Project managers have more authority than functional managers. Teams report primarily to the project manager for project-related tasks. Balanced matrix structure. Equal power is shared between project and functional managers. Decision-making is collaborative, but may lead to slower resolution. Weak matrix structure. Functional managers have more authority. Team members have dual reporting, functional and project managers. Complex to monitor and control. The project coordinator has limited authority. Projectized organization structure. The project manager has full authority over resources and decisions. Teams are dedicated to the project and report directly to the project manager. Virtual organizational structure. Digital collaboration connects geographically dispersed team members, appears as a unified entity with no physical location. Examples: Wikipedia, Nike, Amazon. Hybrid composite structure combines elements of multiple structures to adapt to organizational needs. Leadership styles. Laissez-faire style allows the team to make decisions independently. Transactional style focuses on goals, feedback, and rewards based on performance. Servant leader style prioritizes the growth and well-being of team members. Transformational style inspires change by creating a vision and motivating the team. Charismatic style inspires and energizes the team through personal influence. Interactional style combines transactional, transformational, and charismatic styles. These organizational frameworks and leadership approaches help guide projects towards success by aligning resources, goals, and team dynamics.